Great news, everybody. We are once again starting our 15 hours of live sessions with teacher Daniela. Again, one of our best teachers, has years of experience. I don't even know how many years, maybe 11 or 12 years plus of experience. Certified teacher, guarantees you a great mark in CELPIP. She has over 90% success rate. I want to say 95, but people think I'm lying, but literally it is a very high success rate. So join her class. You're going to get all materials on all modules for free as part of the classes. You're going to get feedback on your tasks, writing, speaking, reading, and listening. You're also going to get tips, tricks, strategies that we do not cover for free on YouTube here. You get them in classes with worksheets, with all the details, PDFs, all sorts of things. If you want to know what exactly this package is, check out the link in the description. You can go to the website and register. It is Thursday today. In 2 days, we're going to start these classes, and if you're going to join us, you're going to ensure you guarantee yourself a great mark in the CELPIP exam. So join now and benefit with these sessions. It's at a discounted price. Click the link in the description to find out more.